Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to convert your BTC into USDT here in Binance, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access first your account. Let's go open up the Binance app here. Now in here, as you can see, if you're using Binance, in this case, Binance Pro, well, the thing with this one is you just need to access the trade section. So let's go and choose trade. Now, don't worry about this one because by default, you should see the spot, but at the top left, you should see buy and sell. Now, if you want to make it a lot easier for you, I would recommend you to use the buy and sell section. Now, in here, the from section, you want to go and select BTC. So you can go and click on the search button, type in BTC. And from here, the to section, you want to go ahead and search for USDT or whichever currency that you want or cryptocurrency that you want to basically make the conversion from. Now from here, you want to go indicate how much you want to go ahead and just make a transfer, like 0.0001. So again, this is just an example. And also, it will give you a preview of how much you may be receiving. Like, for example, 0.0001 is around like 6.157 USDT. Now, in this case, you want to go and click on preview order. And this will redirect you to this page on how much you are going to receive. Now, if you do have sufficient funds, you go ahead and just click on the transfer button. And typically, that would process your conversion here. And typically, by the way, there are some fees. Sometimes there are going to be some fees. So in this case, you could go ahead and just proceed with this one. And once you approve a few things here, the next pages, you should receive your USDT. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.